In this video I'll show you 7 ways to make money online in 2019. These are all legitimate methods, and if you're willing to do some upfront work, you can definitely earn $1,000 or more every month. With some of these methods, you can earn money as soon as today, while others require a bit more time to start generating income. The first method to make money online in 2019 is online freelancing. Let's say that maybe you're good at using Photoshop. You could offer your skills to people that are willing to pay for them, such as YouTubers that want video thumbnails. Other ideas include doing voice-overs for commercials and videos, or writing articles. You don't have to be an expert to make good money on Fiverr. There are many entrepreneurs and business owners that purchase services on Fiverr every day. I even bought some gigs myself for other online businesses I have. If you don't know where to start, go to Fiverr.com and look at the categories to get ideas of services you can offer. If you see gigs with a lot of reviews, this is a sign that there's demand for that kind of service, so you can actually make money by offering it. The second method to make money online is what you're watching right now. YouTube. I've been on YouTube for a few years and I've created channels in various niches. YouTube is all about giving value by teaching or entertaining others through video. You can start a YouTube channel on a topic you're passionate about and make videos that keep people entertained or teach them something. You don't even have to show up on camera if you don't want to. You can also make animated videos like the one you're watching right now. There are many ways to earn money with a YouTube channel. As soon as your channel starts growing, you can join the YouTube Partner Program and earn money by letting YouTube show ads before and under videos. Another way is through brand deals and product placements. Let's say you like tech. You could create a channel where you review phones and other gadgets, and if your channel becomes big enough, you can get paid by brands to review their products and promote them. I'm going to be honest with you, a YouTube business requires a little more time to start making money, but when your channel grows it can make you even thousands of dollars every month. My recommendation is to choose a niche you like and start posting videos consistently around that topic, answering people's questions and keeping them entertained. YouTube loves when people stay on the platform and watch videos, so if you can keep people entertained your channel will grow. Alright, method number 3 is course creation. Basically it all comes down to finding something you know and teaching it to people that are interested and willing to pay for your information. Maybe you've been training at the gym for years and can teach people how to get a six-pack and improve their body. Or maybe you're good at playing the guitar. You could create a video course to teach how to play the guitar to beginners. However, don't just go and create a course on whatever thing you like. Always research your market and ask yourself these questions. Is this something people are willing to pay for? You can make a lot of money with a course. For example, let's say you created a video course on drawing for beginners. If you sell even just 10 copies for $50, you already made $500. A video course business is awesome because you don't need a big amount of money to start. However, I recommend reading some marketing books to learn how to promote and market your course so that people will buy it. I've linked in the description 2 great books that will help you. Check them out if you're interested. Money-making method number 4 is affiliate marketing. If you want to start an online business but don't have anything to sell, this is a good way to start earning. Affiliate marketing is the process of selling other people's products or services and getting a commission on each sale you make, that typically is between 50% and 75% of the product's price. There are websites like ClickBank that host a wide variety of courses and even physical products you can promote as an affiliate. To start doing affiliate marketing, choose a niche and search for products that can help people and that pay a good commission. Then pick a platform, such as YouTube, Pinterest, Instagram etc. and start producing content and helping people in your niche, and promote affiliate products while doing that. Your job is essentially to find people that have a problem in your niche and offer them a product that can work as a solution. If you want to learn more on how to start earning with affiliate marketing, click on the first link in the description below. The 5th way to make money online is through a website called SliceThePie. SliceThePie is the largest paid review site on the internet, and you earn cash for every review you leave. This is probably one of the easiest and quickest ways to make some money online. You can find the link to sign up in the video description below. After you create your account, they'll give you some musical tracks and they'll ask for your opinion on it. You get paid 3 to 5 cents for each review, and you can easily make an extra $10 to $15 a day just by listening to some music. Method number 6 is starting a Zzzle business. If you don't know it, Zzzle is a website where you can create custom t-shirts, hats, mugs, pillows and many other products. You can upload your custom design for free and put it on a wide variety of different products that people can purchase. I started a Zzzle business a few years ago, and I keep making sales to this day. I'm not a professional graphic designer and didn't really take this business very seriously, but I was still able to make some sales here and there. But keep in mind that there are people earning even 6 figures a year, selling products on Zzzle, and you can do this too, if you're willing to do some upfront work. And the last method I recommend to make money online in 2019 is becoming an influencer on Instagram. You can create an account and start posting photos, grow an audience and build your influence. People will pay to promote their products, or to do shout-outs. With a medium-sized Instagram account, you could ask even $50 for posting a photo or a story to promote somebody else's profile. And if you manage to get a few 100,000 subscribers, you can also ask $100 to $150 for each shoutout you make. I'll leave my #1 recommended tool to grow your Instagram account in the description below. It's the same tool that many influencers use, to grow their audience to thousands of engaged followers. Subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. I talk about business, entrepreneurship and online marketing. And leave a like, if you're going to try one of these strategies.